Hello folks, just wanted to make a little follow-up video on this guy, long arm kit, Tuff Country. Um, there's only really one video showing a guy installing this kit in what is it, on YouTube. Anyway, couple things I wanted to point out is on here it says measurement to be 3 inches from the neck of that to here, and then this picture's kind of even off. I don't really know what the hell they were trying to say with 3 inches. And then this Zerk fitting to it's a right angle thing, and it shows you being like, oh, you can reach it right there. But two of the things is I ended up having to run these like all the way in and back it off a turn, because if you do it at this measurement of this 3 inches to the base of this flange, it basically puts it like 2 inches away. So this rod end was back like 2 inches. And the other guy on the other video said that he had to shorten them, but he didn't say like how much. I did take a photo of how much. I mean, I basically ran them all the way in and then backed them out one, and I ended up still having to. What I did was I took my ratchet strap, came to the frame rail up here, put it to the axle. I still need to get this side in. As you can see, I'll show you. I shortened this one like I did the other side, but I'm still that far from the hole. So also what I've looking into the control arm kits and stuff, it says if your vehicle's lifted three plus more inches, that they're usually extended like half an inch. So to me, that's probably like a half an inch from where it was stock. So I think that's how it should go. I did leave these upper links at the 15 from eye to eye, and I believe it was from, because that's the other part that they don't tell you on these, is that upper bushing set is turned. In this case, it's turned this way to get the alignment. So if you measure from this side to here versus the other side to there, it's two different measurements, but they don't tell you in the directions. But I believe this is correct. So I think it was, I want to say it was actually maybe from the short side that I measured it. I can't freaking remember anyway. But look at it, that's about how much I got sticking out there. That's about how much I got sticking out there. And then with the Zerk fitting, you have to tighten it to get it to point out basically like this, because you can't come sideways like it kind of shows in the picture, because it's not right there. The driver's side was fine. Mine's an Arizona truck, so I got over here to this side, and the caster bolt didn't. Ended up having to cut it out because it was seized in the thing. So I went to Advanced Auto, grabbed a new bolt, so that should be good. What else? I don't know, so we'll see. Get this put together. I'm interested, maybe I can get like a digital angle finder and check out my pinion angle from there to there. I had this up on jack stands, got the wheels shocked and stuff like that, and so when I took the old control arms off, this didn't really move at all. So it's things that lined up okay. That lined up okay. So that's fine. And then the angle of that was okay. The angle of that's okay. So I think it's set up pretty good. Another note, it was easier to, I mean, once you get this length correct, to put this side in, and same with put this side in, and then come over here and put this side in instead of putting this side in and then trying to get that side, because the joints inside, they can move, but they're stiff. So getting it lined up and whatever here is kind of hard. But if you get it lined up, put the bolt in, then you can move the shaft, which moves the joint easier to get that lined up. So I think those are kind of the only weird things that I've come across of so far. Yeah, so update you once this is done, and then I'm going to get it aligned and see if they said anything weird, you know, see if they need to make any adjustments or whatever. But that's it for now. So I'm gonna tell you, this is a much better ride. You can definitely feel a difference. I go over a dirt road, the washboards I can feel less. It is just smoother, it's not as jarring. I'm still kind of getting a clunk over on this side, which I thought was my old control arms, but it might be something else. I'm gonna have to look in to see what that is, but it's definitely better. Yeah, it's less stiff. The front end is it's more enjoyable. Like, I can go down a dirt road without like kind of dancing around a little bit, I guess you could say. So yeah, when they say yeah there's an improvement, I would agree with them. And I think too, like, I think they come in a little bit more than the other control arms, the stock ones. I could be wrong, but which means you got some more ability to turn, and you know, with bigger tires and whatnot, you might have some more clearance. Plus, I think it pushed the axle forward. There is kind of some vibration. I don't know if it's when I come to a stop or something. I still need to click it into four wheels, see if there's anything weird with the front drive shaft. Like I said, I wanted to kind of check the, I wish I had done it before I had changed them out. Should check the pinion angles with like a digital angle finder or something like that. So I don't know, but so far so good. Still got to go get aligned and whatnot. It does pretty good. If I let go of the steering wheel, it well, now it's going to the left, but I think it pulls a little bit to the right, but not bad. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'll give some more updates if need be.